What's going on, fellas? I hope everyone has been having a productive week thus far. According to a news statement issued by Ripple, they have thus far submitted all required documentation and taking depositions. As a result, the period of fact discovery will complete on August 31, 2021. Nonetheless, the case is in the expert discovery phase at the moment. This is the phase during which the Securities and Exchange Commission, SEC, of the United States and Ripple Exchange's export reports opining on various aspects of the case. Meanwhile, the Securities and Exchange Commission has requested an extension. However, the court has set a deadline of mid-January 2022 for expert discovery. Fortunately, XRP's price is progressively recovering, especially after the implementation of on-demand liquidity, ODL. Ripple claims that transaction traffic has doubled year over year, while ODL transactions have increased by 130% quarter over quarter. According to CoinMarketCap.com, Ripple's XRP price is currently $1.10. Ripple is a viable commercial platform for collaboration. In light of Navati, both parties are anticipated to make other business announcements. We can only wait and watch how the SEC's action against Ripple turns out. With that said, let's cut to the chase and get into the meat of today's video. As always, welcome back to Crypto Aussie, your preferred source for cryptocurrency news. If you're new here, we'd like to welcome you to the XRP family. Simply click the subscribe button and enable notifications to ensure you don't miss any of our daily cryptocurrency news updates. To begin today's video, we have the following tweet from @BankXRP. Amazon Web Services is pursuing a cloud-based approach to cryptocurrency settlement and custody. The ideal individual will revolutionize how businesses interact in crypto, stablecoins, and CBDCs, according to this AWS job posting. Amazon Web Services, AWS, is looking for a professional to help with digital asset underwriting, transaction processing, and custody in the cloud, according to a recent job ad. The infrastructure behemoth is seeking a financial services specialist with experience working with global financial institutions. Institutions and innovative fintech companies will collaborate to transform the way they transact digital assets, for example, cryptocurrencies, CBDCs, central bank digital currencies, stablecoins, and security-backed digital currencies (STOs), sovereign tokens, asset-backed tokens, and non-fungible tokens, from price discovery to execution, settlement, and custody. According to prior job posts, Amazon's much-anticipated foray into digital assets is expected to involve some sort of payment token, dubbed the Amazon currency. Meanwhile, AWS is adapting its infrastructure to support transactions such as cryptocurrencies. Processing and custody will almost certainly be viewed as a prudent move, one that IBM is making as well. By collaborating with our sales teams, solution architects, independent software vendors, and systems integrators, you will contribute to the delivery of solutions that enable customers to achieve end-to-end digital asset underwriting, transaction processing, and custody in the cloud, according to the AWS job advertisement. Following that, we get another tweet from @Universe20 stating that Judge Netburn has approved the motion on an interim basis, granting Ripple's request to seal Exhibits A and B contained in the defendant's response to the SEC's submission of 3 additional documents for the in-camera review. The defendant stated during Ripple's application to seal that they consulted with the SEC and determined that it had no objection to submitting these records under seal, pending the SEC's assessment and determination of whether to request. Finally, sealing. Ripple and the individual defendants, Chris Larson and Brad Garlinghouse, have made no commitments about the ultimate secrecy of these information. When the court evaluates the merits of the underlying motion, it may reconsider its ruling. These, on the other hand, are among the discovery materials filed with the court in connection with discovery-related disputes that the producing party classified as confidential. As such, they are not considered judicial records and thus do not qualify for a presumption of public availability, Ripple's counsel contended. To continue, we have another tweet from @Neptune XRP, which reads, "Perhaps Ripple backed the document sealing." Thus, it may be that they are holding a pistol to the SEC's head, compelling them to accept that XRP will settle in the manner desired by Ripple and with clarity for the time being. Perhaps this is wishful thinking, but one never knows. This was in reaction to a tweet by Bank XRP regarding a judge sealing material that could establish the SEC lied to the court. Following that, we have another tweet from @xrp+ripple, which states, "This is an illustration of how the XRP chart will appear." And I couldn't agree with you more. We are not purchasing XRP at a price of $10. We're here to take advantage of the $100, $1,000 price objectives. Personally, I'm going to take profits at $10 because that'll net me a 40x return, but it'll be negligible. My exit strategy is to acquire XRP through Flare Network, which will provide passive revenue for me. Long-term consequences will be generational. As we conclude today's video, we have another exciting tweet from Ian Binns, Ripple's partner, Navati, enables XRP, BTC, with a crypto spend Visa card. To be sure, if we examine the material on investing.com, we can observe that as it is stated, when a commercial relationship succeeds, further lines of partnerships follow. This has been the case for Navati and Ripple Payments in recent months, continuing its expansion strategy following the completion of a $40 million. Navati is already supplying additional payment services following a successful capital round in the September quarter. Navati is a startup that leverages Ripple, XRP, to provide on-demand liquidity and has started pushing crypto spend Visa cards in Australia. Currently, the crypto spend Visa card supports 5 cryptocurrencies, according to the statement. Crypto spend is a platform that connects cryptocurrencies to the Australian banking system. The crypto spend Visa card will, above all, support Ripple, XRP, Bitcoin, BTC, and Bitcoin Cash, BCH. Bitcoin Cash, BCH, Ethereum, ETH, and Litecoin, LTC, are just a few of them, LTC. Navati is taking a strategic stance to make crypto payments more accessible to consumers as the global movement to digital payments continues. Navati is a fintech firm based in Australia that enables businesses to pay and be paid. With that in mind, let us examine the charts. XRP is frequently the final cryptocurrency to rise. Exclamation mark. XRP may be preparing to enter a fresh bullish cycle to the upside. In the short term, a negative trend line is serving as resistance. Once the resistance level is breached to the upside, we can anticipate a large impulsive move. Let's see how this plays out over the next few days. This invalidation point serves as a stop-loss zone for us. If this bull count is violated, it is inaccurate. Bitcoin has retreated since October 20th, when it set a new all-time high. Price movement is beginning to mimic another pivotal point in cryptocurrency history. Consider the downward sloping trend line that has developed into resistance approximately 11 months ago. Additionally, take note of how the 21-day exponential moving average, EMA, is rising from the bottom. The following chart illustrates the volatility squeeze, as indicated by the fall in Bollinger Band width. These patterns signal that Bitcoin is battling a near-term resistance line, with the possibility of a price gain imminent. Rewind to late November or early December 2020. Take note of the parallel occurrences that occurred as past halted following its previous high test. At the time, it took 16 days for the bulls to break free. We're on day 12 since the previous peak. As always, trade responsibly, gentlemen. Please bear in mind that we are not financial counselors licensed by the state of California. This channel's videos are solely for enjoyment purposes. Leave your thoughts in the comment space below and let's have a discussion. We appreciate your time and interest. Don't forget to like and subscribe to this video. Enable alerts to be notified whenever we publish new amazing stuff. We'll catch up with you in the following video.